YouTube? Thank you for tuning in to another video. This right here is the Jordan 4 Bred I was telling you guys about. Finally got my hands on this shoe. This right here is the Grail. This is my Grail right here. The Air Jordan 4 Bred. My favorite shoe of all time. This shoe was introduced in 1989. The infamous shot. I think we all know what that shot was, right? You know, from the free throw line in Cleveland, Ohio, you know, the shot. With that being said, this was the first pair of Air Jordans I ever got as a kid, and that's why it's symbolic to me also. So, fast forward to today, these came in the mail. I went to GOAT to get these actually, and my purchase came through very, very well. I'm very happy. Look at the nubuck suede, man. Great material on this shoe. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this. Some have, some haven't. This shoe came back out, I believe, in February of this year. Well, not this year, because it's 2020. I think it came out around February of 2019, last year. It's funny saying that, but we're in a new year. But you have your tongue here, you have your Jumpman logo with the traditional, the old school, OG flight. You have your Nike Air on the back, representing the old school version of the shoe. And then you have your Nike Air tag. And yes, it stayed on the shoe because you know that's how it should be rocked. For all the OGs, all the old sneakerheads, you know we used to rock this tag, and you know what? It's gonna stay on because some things just don't change. So why change it now? But with that being said, I gave you guys some B-roll. That's the bottom. As you can see, I already put this bad boy to use. Didn't walk around today. Shoe was extremely comfortable. Extremely comfortable. You got your netting here, of course. The shoe just looks amazing. It looks like a car on your feet, basically, a sports car. I love this shoe. Always have. Tinker Hatfield designed it, of course. Got your air bubble. Matter of fact, this was the second shoe with the air bubble because the Jordan 3 was the first shoe with the air bubble. So this was the second shoe with the air bubble. Yeah. But just keep it short and brief. Here's the box. For those that haven't seen the box, flight box. I got my size, of course. That's the tag. And just keep it real short. These right here were a dream come true. My birthday's coming up, so it was a birthday gift to myself. And I'm really happy with my purchase. So I'm gonna give you guys some more B-roll shots of the shoe. Stay tuned. I got some more shoe reviews coming up, some more shoe content. And thank you guys for tuning in to Rituals. With that being said, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I got a lot of things coming up, and I know you guys are gonna love it. So please hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bells, so you'll be the first ones to get notified when I upload a video. You guys have an awesome day, and remember, every day, practice to build wealth. That's Rituals. We not reselling these though. These are my grills. These are staying in the house. May 7, 1989, Cleveland, Ohio. A floating jumper at the foul line beats a buzzer, crushes one city, lifts another, and cements two legends. The first of those is the shooter, MJ himself, who finished the series clinching Game 5 with 44 points. The other is his shoe, the black, red Air Jordan 4. Jordan's signature shoes are cool for many reasons. The Air Jordan 4, when it arrived, was the coolest shoe ever. In pure technical terms, designed by Tinker Hatfield, it was stripped down, streamlined, race car-like game shoe, complete with lightweight nubuck upper and ventilated via mesh field cutouts. On the court, that shot in Cleveland conflated the shoe with the cold clinical finishing. Off court, one of the greatest sneakers marketing campaigns in history, combined with the major film cameos, made an instant style staple.